Hello students. Today we will discuss about the flower, parts of flower and their functions. Okay beta? So beta, when you go to garden, park, uh, you see always flower. Okay, you feel beta flower found in beautiful shape, fragrance and colors. So I want to tell that what is flower? Flower is the colorful and attractive part of plant. Okay, so beta you can see here the picture of flower, fruit and seed. Okay, when you eat fruit, any fruit, apple, mango, watermelon, etc. When they eat food, you found inside the food some seeds. Okay, some seeds. Beta, you can see here flower and what right? Reproductive organ. Okay, I want to tell that a flower is called a reproductive organ of plant. But we know new plant is born from the seed of the food. Okay. New plant is born from the seed of fruit. Okay. But how is flower is a reproductive organ? To understand this we need to know more about the flower. So you can discuss parts of flower. A flower consists of several parts on whole of structure. Okay. The flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Most of the flower has the stalk which forms the stem of plant. This parts of called pedicel. Okay, pedicel. Pedicel is the small stalk. Pedicel is the small stalk that attaches single flower to the inflorescence or cluster of flower. A pedicel helps support the flower and put in its position. Okay, and you know the uppermost part of the pedicle is wider and it is called thalamus. Okay, uppermost part of the pedicle is wider. It's called thalamus and pedicle is the small stalk. Okay, so and there are green leaf like structure. Okay, you can see here green leaf like structure which are called sepal. Okay, sepal provide protection to the bud before its bloom and beta it's generally you can see here the picture of flower brightly colored. Okay, it's brightly colored. Yeah, it's here. Brightly colored. They attract insects that help in pollination. It's called petal. Okay, beta? Clear? now we have to know that flower is reproductive organs. But how? Flower has two reproductive organs, two reproductive part. First, male reproductive part. ठीक है? Male reproductive part has two parts, anther and filament. Okay, it's whole called stamen. Each stamen has bag-like structure. It's called anther, and a long tube-like structure. It's called filament. Anther produces pollen grain that take part in reproduction. Various filament provide support to the anther. Okay, and stamen had two parts, anther and filament. It's called male reproductive part. And female reproductive part, pistil or carpel. Okay, pistil or carpel is the female part of the flower, but it has three part. Okay, it has three part. The stigma is the top, the style in the middle, the ovary at the base. It's called carpel or pistil. Okay, a pistil or carpel is the female part of the flower. And the stigma receives the pollen grain, which germinate on each pollen grain grows into a tube called a pollen tube. And that's clear, beta. Flower is a reproductive organs because flower has two reproductive part, male part and female part. Male part has stamen that has two parts, anther and filament. Carpel has three parts, top of the stigma and style in the middle part, and the ovary is the base. That's clear. You know, some flower like we saw hibiscus plant, the same flower has both the male and female part. That is the stamens and carpel in the plants. The flowers has either the male reproductive part or the female reproductive part, not both. Okay, for the example, in the case of corn papaya has female. Okay, that's, and pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin has female part. So I have a question. Why do insects attract? Okay, why do insects attract? So we will discuss. When the color of the pistil and the scent of the flower attracts the insects, it sits on the flower during the time pollen grain may slake on the body, and when these insects goes to the another flower, okay, another flower of the same kind or sits on the sunflower, again pollen grain transfer to stigma. It's called pollination. The transfer of pollen grain, anther to anther to the stigma. Okay, anther to the stigma. Anther to the stigma. It's called pollination. And after the pollination, ovary swells up that turns into the fruit wall. Okay, protects the which protects the seed, which protects the seed. This ovule, this ovule which a bead like structure inside the ovary. Okay, inside the ovary, which ovule bead like structure inside the ovary turn into seed. The seed has baby plant. The embryo comes into the embryo as baby comes into the existence after the pollination the flower. Hence we can say the flower is the reproductive part of plant. And we if we cut any fruit, okay, if we cut any fruit, we get three parts: exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Okay, exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. And outermost part outermost part scale which we peel in many fruit, it's called exocarp. And we eat that part, it's called mesocarp. And inner part is called endocarp. Okay, inner part is called endocarp, which covers the seed. Okay, and exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp, it's completely called fruit wall. So example, meso, endo consist fruit wall like tomato, lemon, watermelon, etc. So that clear bit of flower is reproductive organ, has two reproductive organ. Male part is stamens that has two parts, anther and filament, and carpel or pistil. Carpel or carpel or pistil. Okay, carpel has three parts. The stigma is the top, style in middle, ovary in the base, and the transfer of pollen grains anther to stigma, it's called pollination. And thus clear flower is reproductive organ. Thank you beta, thank you so much, and please like, share, subscribe my channel.